Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel from Woodworking with Dash, and today we've got 5 boxes in 5 minutes again. And I've got some great ones for you today. I've got the fence box, I've got the Art Deco box, the spouted sassafras box, the center box, and a brand new box I just made 20 minutes ago. The tub box, I call it. Come on and have a look. 5 boxes in 5 minutes. Okay guys, box 1 is a big box. It's made of myrtle, Tasmanian myrtle and senna, with a white interior in the tray. But it's a big jewellery box, or it can double as a document box. The whole tray can come out and you can use it for your documents. Great looking box. The senna comes up spectacular with the myrtle surrounds and a fine edge on the top. It's another one that just, you know the word I'm going to say. I'm not going to say it yet, but I will say it eventually. What a great looking box this is. Okay, let's move on. Okay guys, box number 2 is the Art Deco box. It's got a centre Art Deco fin and 2 drawer boxes, one on each side. Very special box this. This is the drawers are made of G and Carry with a red interior. And other than this box, just, I'm going to say the word now, it pops. With its celery top pine and spotted gum, Ockham, Jarrah and celery top pine again. It just is, this box. It's just it and a bit. What a great looking box. Let's move on. Okay guys, box number 3 is the fence box, made of an old fence post and palings. The lattice work of the old red gum fence posts. It's got 2 drawers, one each end, and a centre divider and a cross on top. It just goes to prove that you can make beautiful things out of any timber. Just get an old bit of timber and have a go guys, and you'll be surprised at what you make. Let's move on. Okay guys, box number 4. Look at that. Spouted sassafras with a hue and pine lid and a red interior with a blackwood tray. The timbers of Tasmania guys, the timbers of Tasmania. I got these timbers when I went down to Tasmania. Other than that, just, I'm going to say the word again, it just pops. Look at that guys. What a great proportion box too it is. It's got decorative hinges on the back. But it's just it in a bit guys, it's just it in a bit. Okay guys, time to move on. Okay guys, box number 5 is my latest box. Finished it about 20 minutes ago. It's a slide lid box with a red interior and a couple of dividers. Look at that guys. I call it the tub box. It's like a bathtub I suspect. It's got a sassafras black hard top with resin in it, and that just pops. With red gum legs and red gum handles, and the box is made out of European beech. It's just it and a bit guys. That's box number 5. Hey guys, that's it. See you next time where we will be making another box. Yay!